In this video, I want to demonstrate how to use the Pythagorean Theorem to continue this arc so when the tool comes around, it comes 100 thou off the part, as shown here. So I've drawn out the triangle, I've extended this arc 100 thou, and what do we know about it? Well, we know the distance from here is 2, so if we go another 100 thou in the x, this distance of my triangle is 2.1. The radius doesn't change, it's still 2.5, so now I need to figure out y. And as you recall, this side squared equals this side squared plus this side squared. So 2.5 squared equals 2.1 squared plus y squared. So to calculate y, we're going to take the square root of 2.5 squared minus 2.1 squared. So to do that, I'll open up the calculator and I'll enter 2.5 squared minus 2.1 squared. And I get the answer, and then I'll take the square root. So the distance from the 0 down in the y, when we arc off 100 thou in the x, will be 1.3565. So if I extend this 100 thou, this will be my y. So I'm going to program that. So my y will be 1.3565. I'll just double check that. Yep, 1.3565. And then I'll need to add the x coordinate as well, because the x has changed from 2 to 2.1. So I'll enter x 2.1. I'll refresh that plot, and we can see the cutter continues 100 thou off, and then my incremental arc off is still good.